Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to put a tow hook on an E92 M3. This thing got towed into us, so I'm going to show you where the tow hook is. You don't have to pull this whole unit off, but for showing you, I'm going to be able to just pull it off real quick. So you got to pull this little cover up here, and you should see your tow hook here. You're just going to pop that up, nice and simple. And there's a tow hook here on the back, the bumper there, and then there's also one in the front. We're going to show you how to pop the cover off the front. So it's kind of tricky here, and it's pretty simple. So there's contact around it. You're gonna just press firmly on the top section here, and it's gonna pop out. So you might need to put a little bit more force in than you think, but you just wanna press firmly here on the top part of it, and it'll pop out for you. And then you're gonna take your tow hook, and you're gonna find the threads in there, and you're gonna just kinda give it a few turns until it starts to grab. You're going to give it a few turns until it starts to grab. There we go, it started to grab. And you're going to make sure you turn it, keep spinning it until it doesn't spin anymore. We want to make sure it's all the way threaded in, nice and firm and safe. So there it is. And then from there you can hook it up to your tow truck or whatever. You want to make sure you use a flatbed if you're towing anything like this, and make sure you are being safe and careful. And then to pull it back off, pretty simple. You're just going to loosen her up all the way out, and then to put your cover back on, kind of the same thing. You want to put the top in first, and then it goes in pretty easy. You just got to find the right groove, and that's all it takes. So there you go, Kyler from Motorsports. We can fix your car.